was, the dead nettle is up. Blooms haven't really opened up that much yet, but they're on the way. The first pollens are starting to come in of the year. I just finished changing the oil in the old Dodge. Got the syrup tank in the bed. I'll be going on Monday. Today's Saturday. I'll be going Monday. Pick up about 250, 300 pounds of sugar. So I'm gonna go ahead and give every colony I've got a gallon of 1-to-1 syrup. I want them to start getting fired up, putting some brood out. Get them prepared for splits. Bees are active today. It's about 50 degrees out. Oh, these are bringing in quite a bit of pollen. Small dark yellow baskets. Orientation flights. A little bit of brood is emerging. Here before long, it's going to be game on. I'm ready for it.